We have our nice black bass. I have it filleted.
Fantastic. Skin on.
Skin on, yeah, oh yeah. You always want to keep that.
A lot of times cantaloupe, we just think about slicing it and eating it, and that's the extent of our creativity with using cantaloupe. So I'm really excited to see how we're going to work this into a dish.
I agree.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to basically cook this all the way down, skin side down, the entire way. You want to keep it nice and medium rare.
Okay.
And this has a tendency to kind of curl up, so you just want to keep your fingers on that, keep it down.
Could you put sort of a utensil on top to
You
keep
could,
it pressed?
absolutely, yeah.
And besides cantaloupe being very high in water, what other vitamins are in cantaloupe?
Yeah, you're going to get some things like your vitamin A's, your vitamin C's, and as a pediatrician, families ask me a lot, you know, should my child be taking some kind of supplement in terms of vitamin? Honestly, what I tell them, if you can really have a healthy diet like this, where you're incorporating natural foods with your fruits and your vegetables that are rich in these vitamins and minerals, you really don't need supplements.